The traditional elevator pitch is dead. Treat it like a spoken resume, and you lose the room instantly. To make it work, we have to shift from your past to your value. We are taught that an elevator pitch is just a summary of your resume, but when you treat it like a spoken bio, you lose the room instantly. High expectations, low conversion. To make it work, we have to stop summarizing your past and start demonstrating your value. Careers don't always end slowly. Sometimes they end at hello, because traditional pitches lose attention instantly and the next opportunity will not wait. Remember this, you are not the product. Your results are. Shift the focus from who you are to what you solve. Break the script. Ditch the standard summaries and standard introductions. Interrupt their expectations. The traditional elevator pitch is dead. This four-step framework shifts the focus from who you are to what you can deliver. By engaging their problems, detailing your strategic benefits, and closing with a clear next step, you turn a generic monologue into a high-value business exchange. Stop pitching your past. Own your narrative. Name the problem. Call out the exact problem the company is facing right now. Show them you understand their pain. Instead of saying, "I'm passionate about marketing and branding," say, "I help brands turn short-form content into customer attention." Specific beats vague. Every time. Show the proof. Don't just say what you did. Prove the scope, the scale, and the outcome. Stop guessing what companies need. Research smarter. Use AI to uncover patterns, priorities, and pressure points. Precision beats generic every time. Use the data. Opinions don't stick. Metrics do. Anchor your value in proof. Presence speaks first. Long before you open your mouth, your digital footprint has already built an impression. Optimize the silent pitch. Don't make them work to hire you. Hand them the exact next step, a brief follow-up, a specific project review, or a quick sync. Make saying yes the easiest decision they make today. Before you change a single word, remember the new rules. Stop recapping your past. Target their current problem and anchor your solution in undeniable data. That is how you command the room. The old elevator pitch is dead. Opportunities don't wait for you to warm up. Before you meet your next employer, go to your profile, scrap the generic summaries, and practice your new strategy out loud. Define the problem, anchor your value in metrics, and claim your edge today. Let's get to work. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and share your questions or tips in the comments.